Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation could be written down as the equation here. The force of gravity equals the universal gravitational constant multiplied by the mass of the first object multiplied by the mass of the second object divided by the distance divided between the two objects squared. For this problem, we will determine the force of gravitational attraction between the Earth and the physics student if the student is in an airplane 40,000 feet above the Earth's surface. This would place the student a distance here up from the Earth's center. Now normally when we solve a physics problem involving distances, we convert the feet into meters, but for this problem they already gave us the distance between the student and the Earth's center, so that would be unnecessary. Now, in order to solve this problem, we're going to plug in the numbers into this equation. What we'd get is the universal gravitational constant, 6.673 times 10 to the negative 11th power, and its unit, Newton meter squared over kilogram squared, multiplied by the mass of the first object, in this case Earth's, multiplied by the mass of the second object, in this case the student, divided by the distance between the two objects squared. Now I'll solve the problem for the numerator and the denominator. On top we have and on the bottom we have Now the reason why I'm doing this is to point out the units. Here we will cancel out the kilogram squared, and then afterwards we will cancel out the meter squared. Notice what you have left is newtons for the unit. And then when you put those values into your calculator, you will get 684.098. Well, approximately that much newtons. And one thing I didn't mention earlier was that while the gravitational constant is the same, increasing either one of the masses will increase the force of gravity, while increasing the distance between the two objects will exponentially decrease the force of gravity. That is because larger objects have a greater force of gravity on each other, and increasing the distance between those said objects will decrease the force of gravity. Thank you for watching.